Geotechnical investigation services in Gurgaon play a crucial role in the design and construction industry. These services involve the study of the physical properties of soil and rocks in order to determine their suitability for various construction projects. The main objective of geotechnical investigation is to assess the stability and load-bearing capacity of the ground, which helps engineers and architects design structures that can withstand the forces exerted on them. Gurgaon, being a rapidly developing city, requires reliable geotechnical investigation services to ensure the safety and longevity of its infrastructure projects. The geotechnical investigation process in Gurgaon typically begins with site exploration, where soil and rock samples are collected from different depths. These samples are then analyzed in a laboratory to determine their composition, strength, permeability, and other engineering properties. The findings of these tests are used to assess the soil's bearing capacity, settlement characteristics, and potential for slope instability or liquefaction. This information is crucial for determining the appropriate foundation design, earthwork requirements, and any necessary ground improvement measures. SCON design is an important aspect of geotechnical investigation services in Gurgaon. SCON stands for Soil Concrete Composite, which is a technique used to improve the load-bearing capacity of weak or loose soils. In this method, cementitious grout or concrete is injected into the ground to strengthen the soil and form a composite material. SCON design involves detailed analysis and calculations to determine the optimal placement and quantity of grout or concrete injections, taking into account factors such as soil properties, structure loads, and environmental conditions. This technique has proven to be effective in stabilizing weak soils, reducing settlement, and increasing the overall stability of structures. The design and construction industries in Gurgaon rely heavily on geotechnical investigation services. Soil and rock physical parameters are evaluated for construction project suitability as part of these services. Engineers and architects rely on the results of geotechnical investigations to ensure that their buildings will resist the loads they are expected to carry. As a growing metropolis, Gurgaon needs trustworthy geotechnical investigation services to make sure its infrastructure projects last. Site exploration is the first step in a geotechnical study in Gurgaon, during which soil and rock samples are taken at varying depths. Lab tests assess the composition, strength, permeability, and other engineering qualities of these materials. The results of these examinations are used to evaluate the stability of slopes, the likelihood of liquefaction, and the soil's bearing capacity. The foundation design, earthwork needs, and ground improvement methods can all benefit greatly from this data. When it comes to geotechnical investigation services in Gurgaon, SCON design is crucial. Soil Concrete Composite, or SCON for short,